method, substitution method, and graphical method. Now, basically there are two methods that we always use, which are elimination method and substitution method. This one is always done in graph, so we normally use this one and this one during the examination. So now let's use elimination method first to solve this one. X minus y is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to 5. Now, before you can solve it, let's name this one as equation 1 here, and name this one as equation 2. Now, since we are using the elimination method, elimination simply means that removing something or taking out of something. So now, assuming you are going to eliminate y, meaning when you are going to remove y from this equation, meaning it will left with only x and 1 because the y has been taken out. So now what you can do is that first you have to know that the coefficients is very important here. The coefficients of x here is 1 here, but we don't write 1 in mathematics. And coefficients of y here is minus 1. We don't write 1. So now coefficients of y is minus 1. So we are going to multiply the coefficients by the other equation. Also, vice versa, we are going to multiply the coefficients of y in equation 2 here by the equation 1. So now this one is multiplied by 1, and this coefficients of y here is minus 1 is going to multiply by the equation here, equation 2. So minus 1. So now you could see that this one is multiplied the whole of this equation here, and this one also multiplied by the whole of this equation here. So now let's start. This one is the same as this multiplied by is equal to the same thing. So you can name this one as equation 3 here, but mind you, minus sign is very important here, so you have to be very careful here. So minus sign will be affect the whole of this here. So minus 1 multiplied by x here will be minus x minus y. This one is equal to minus 5. You can name this one as equation 4 here. Now, since the elimination is the meaning of elimination is removing or taking out of something, meaning you are going to subtract the equation 3 and equation 4. So now subtract equation 4 from equation 3. So now we are subtracting it, equation 3, equation 4 from equation 5. Now x minus y is equal to 1 minus x minus y is equal to minus 5 here. So now you bring your minus sign here to identify that we are subtracting it. Now this x here is subtracting this from this, so it will be x minus another minus x. So the minus sign will be 2 here, so it will be positive because the negative and negative add together get positive. So now it will be x. So now this here is 0 because when you they are the same, but the sign are the same, and when you are subtracting it, it will be minus 1. Why here we don't write, so you can say it minus y minus y, that will be 0. So we don't write 0 here. So here is equal to 1 here minus 5. it will be positive because the minus sign, two of them are in the middle, so it will be positive here. So it will be is equal to 6. But mind you that this one have 1 here and 1 also here, so x and x here, 1 here, 1 here, to add together, since the sign and this one are positive, so it's to meaning that 1 plus 1 is 2, so we get 2x. How will we get it? Let me go back it again. Have 1 here, 1 here, don't write, so it will be minus 1 here and positive 1 here. So now meaning 1 minus another minus 1 here, so minus 2 minus sign are middle, so it will be positive, so it will be 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and so it will be get 2x here. So now our 2x is equal to 6. So meaning find the x, meaning that we are going to divide the both sides by 2 to get our x. To find the x simply means that we want to make the x as the subject, and when we are making something as the subject, meaning that we want to make the variable stand on its own. So this one by 2, this one by 2, so this 2 will cancel this 2, so now this one will go here and go here 3. So now our x now here is 3. So now you can now put, so you say putting x is equal to 3 here into to the original equation. The original equation, the main equation 1 and 2. So you can put either equation 1 or equation 2, you get the same answer. So assuming I'm going to put it into equation 2. Equation 2 here. So now equation 2 here. Let's write the equation again. Equation 2 is x plus y is equal to 5. So whatever you see, x is 3. So now our 3x now is 3 here, plus y is equal to 5 now. So now we are grouping items. So our y now is equal to 5. This 3 will cross the equal sign to be minus, to be minus. So now our y now is what, 2. So you see, you finish. So now you can say therefore x is equal to 3 here and y is equal to 2. So you can now use calculator to check whether you are correct, and this is our correct answer. So you have finished, you have done it. So you can also use other method which is called the substitution method also to solve it. You get the same answer. So we have finished. So next time you can, or let's use this one substitution method also to solve it, whether you can get it. So let's see, or substitution method. Now quickly, our x minus y is equal to 1 here, and x plus y is equal to 5. Now the substitution simply means that making as the subject, so we are going to make one variable as a subject. So meaning one variable, the variable will be stand on its own. So let's make x, making x as the subject, in equation 1 here. So now equation 1 here, meaning x now is equal to 1 plus y. So now our x now is 1 plus y, so we can say that put x is equal to x s now is equal to 1 here, 1 plus y into equation 2 here. So now since you use the equation 1 as a subject, so it's only the other equation that you can put it. So we are putting the x is equal to 1 plus y into equation 2. So now whenever you see x, we put 1 plus y. Now 1 plus y plus y here is equal to 5. You see this x now is no more x again, but is 1 plus y, which is this, and plus here, and y here is equal to 5. So now it will be 1 plus 2y is equal to 5 here. So now our 2y is equal to 5. This one is equal sign to be minus 1. It will be 2y is equal to 4. Divide both sides by 2 to get y. Our y now is, go here 1, go here 2. Y now is what? 2. So now putting y is equal to 2 into, so now you can now put this one as equation 1 or 2. So let's put equation 1 into equation 1 here. So now x minus 2 here, or now y now is 2 here, so it's equal to 1. So our x is equal to 1 plus 2 here, because the minus 2 will cross the equal sign, so the sign will change to positive. So our x now is equal to 3. You see, our s is 3 here and y is 2 here. So now you could see that the two methods are the same. So now you could see that you get the same answer. Therefore, let's write here, therefore x is equal to 3 here, y is equal to 2. You see, just now I have done. Thank you for having time here. You can subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel, or you can WhatsApp me. If you have a little challenge or problem here, you can WhatsApp me on this number here, this line 0596 109959. This is my WhatsApp number, WhatsApp line, WhatsApp line.